In this video, we'll show you how to link teamwork.com with Dropbox in just a few simple steps, and why this integration is a game changer for your team collaboration. Whether you're already using Teamwork or Dropbox, or you're new to both, stay tuned as we dive into how this can streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect these tools seamlessly, and we'll share an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about why linking teamwork.com with Dropbox is so important. Teamwork is an all-in-one project management tool, and Dropbox is one of the best cloud storage platforms out there. Combining both allows your team to access, share, and collaborate on files directly within Teamwork. No more switching between apps or wasting time looking for documents. This integration brings all your files into your project management workflow, making everything easier to track, organize, and share. To get started, head over to your teamwork.com account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up using the first link below for a completely free trial, along with some exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of the software. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu at the top right of your screen, and under Integrations, click on Dropbox. Here, you'll see the option to connect your Dropbox account. Click the Connect button, and a pop-up will appear asking for your Dropbox credentials. Enter your details and allow Teamwork to access your Dropbox account. Don't worry, your files remain secure. Teamwork only accesses what's necessary for the integration. Now that you're connected, let's go over how to use the integration effectively. Whenever you're adding or editing a task in Teamwork, you'll see the option to attach files directly from Dropbox. You can browse your folders, select the file you need, and it'll appear right inside the task. This eliminates the need for downloading and uploading files manually. If you're working with your team on a project, anyone with access to that task can view or comment on the Dropbox file. You can even add new Dropbox files right from within Teamwork. This keeps everything centralized in one platform. Plus, any updates you make to the file in Dropbox automatically sync within Teamwork, so your team always has the latest version. For those looking to manage large teams or multiple projects, this feature is a game changer. You can now organize all your files by project, link them to specific tasks, and eliminate the confusion of handling documents across various tools. And the best part is, once you've integrated Dropbox with Teamwork, you'll save tons of time by never having to manually search for files again. Before we wrap up, don't forget that the integration doesn't just stop with file sharing. You can also leverage Dropbox's version history feature, so if you ever need to roll back a file to a previous version, you can do that directly within Teamwork. This is an incredible time saver if you're collaborating on complex projects and need to keep track of changes. And remember, if you're new to teamwork.com, you can get started with their exclusive free trial by clicking the first link below. This gives you a full opportunity to try out all these features and more without any cost. Plus, we've secured some exclusive bonuses just for you, so don't miss out on that. In conclusion, linking teamwork.com with Dropbox isn't just a simple integration. It's a way to streamline your entire project management process. By connecting these two powerful tools, you can organize your tasks, collaborate more efficiently, and keep all your files in one place. If you haven't already, check out the link below to claim your exclusive free trial and unlock even more time-saving features today.